Today I wanted to talk a little bit about altars. As we're continuing to go through COVID and crises, we need to find ways to worship at home. And so some of those ways are praying and practicing our liturgy, reading scripture together, coming up with rituals and doing sacraments at home, even as we cannot be together in community. So one of those things is altar making. And I recently attended an altar making workshop just out of curiosity to see what this church was doing. And it just reminded me of all the little altars we have in our lives. We have things to remember people with, things that remind us of our ancestors, things that God and love are woven all through, such as pictures of our families. I have all of these things. I have crosses and Bibles and Bible verses that I use. And so I wanted to encourage us to think about the purposes of altars. Exodus 20 verse 24 says, "An altar of earth you shall make for me, and sacrifice on it your burnt offerings and your peace offerings, your sheep and your oxen. In every place where I cause my name to be remembered, I will come to you and bless you." And I wanted to just remind us all that God is always with us. God is here blessing us and loving us and walking with us. And that as we're making acceptable offerings, living sacrifices of our lives to God, our lives themselves are altars that we can choose to share, and that we can have these things set up to remind us there's nothing wrong with a reminder of us being valued and cherished creations. And so even when you're having a rough day, light a candle and say a prayer. Know that you're not alone, that there are altars to God erected all over the world, and that you are part of a body.